Okay, so here is the best way on how you can fix Steam content locked error file message. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy and simple on how you can fix content file locked problem. What you can do is just go ahead and open up your Windows settings. You just need to go ahead and open up settings. Right over here, what you need to do is just go back and you need to type in network reset, which will be like this. Now right over here, you just gotta go ahead and press on reset now. I don't need to reset because I don't have this problem, but you just gotta go ahead and press on reset now. Once you've pressed on reset now, it will reset. Now what you need to do is simply press Windows plus R key on your PC and you need to type in CMD. Once you type it in, it will bring up something like this. So right over here, you gotta put in this code, this specific code, which I'm gonna write over here. It is net sh and then space and then win sock and then give it another space and then type in reset. Once you type it in, you just gotta go ahead and you simply need to press enter. I don't need to reset anything, so I won't just press enter, but you just gotta go ahead and press on that. Once all this is done, what you need to do is just go ahead and press on Windows and you need to restart your PC. Once this is done, now you just gotta go ahead and open up Steam. So once inside Steam, what you have to do is just press on this Steam icon on the corner, and over here, you just gotta go ahead and press on settings. And inside settings, what you need to do is just go to downloads, and right over here, inside download, you'll see option of download region. You just gotta go ahead and press on that. And over here, you just gotta choose exactly where you live. Now, let's say if you live somewhere in the United States or somewhere in the UK, so you just gotta choose your specific place. Now, let's say you live in US Pittsburgh, just gotta go ahead and press on US Pittsburgh like this. And once you press on it, Steam will ask you to restart your Steam. You just gotta go ahead and restart it and give it a restart. Once this is done, your problem will be fixed. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.